To 2011. Yeah, there's their people with their tiny, tiny little snowblowers trying to clear their yards. Okay, you can't see all that well out here. It's pretty dang windy. Here's our snowdrifts. It's even worse back this way. Oh, I'm sinking. Okay, there's our fence, see? Yeah, it is pretty dang high. See, a little dugout thing. Good place for me to build a fort. It's the snowdrifts. Oh, I want to see the one big one right there. It's probably about 8 feet high, maybe 10. I ain't going out there and measuring it, so you have to take my word for it. Okay, and here's the end of our drive. I've got a little bit more to go, but as you can see, there's the mailbox, so it's pretty tall. Our neighbors. He's got probably about an 8 to 10 foot drift in front of his house. Okay, now I'm out the back. Let's see what we find here. Okay, there's a school. They're working on it. See, there's a door there. This is the going into our backyard. If I go over here, all it is one giant snowdrift. Dogs certainly can't go out that door. I still like that. Those doors there. Every door in the back is at least halfway up. There's the gates. That's halfway up the gates. There's our neighbor's garage. It's halfway up his garage door. Okay, this is what we're going through now. Okay, I've had enough. Enough with the snow already. I'm tired of snow blowing the driveway. It's freaking out the dogs. You can't even see 41 over there. You can't see there is an advertising sign over there, but you can't see it. And of course, now the deck's starting to accumulate. You can't even see the school over there. So, okay, I've had enough. Okay, it's 11:30, and it just gets worse and worse. The school is no longer visible. Nothing is visible out there. Okay, this is out front. No, I'm not having trouble with focusing. That's how bad it is out there.